Hey, hello folks, welcome to our new session. This is Ajay and I hope you are good. So guys, today we will see how we can drag and drop image with the React.js, and to build this we will use the React drop zone and the useState hooks. So at the end of this tutorial we can drag and drop image or else we can upload the image in a normal way as well. So before start guys, if you are new to my channel or new to this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you will have the notification about my upcoming amazing videos. So let's start to build our application. So before start guys, let's have some quick overview how our application will work. So alright guys, so guys, as you can see on the screen we have the message like drag and drop image here, or else click to select the image. So first I will click on the select image. As you can see, the it is browsing for the image. So let's drag and drop one image. So before that, let's open the console panel. Inside the console panel, let's open the component. I have added the dev tool so that I can able to see my component into the console. So guys, as you can see, we have the hook, use state and drop zone. So I'm going to pick one image. So once I drag, you can see the message was changed as we have the active drag. So if I drop image over here, image was uploaded, and and if you see on into the console panel we have the some data inside the state hook. So guys, you can see we have the path of image, uploaded image, the preview, the name of the image, lots modified, then the size of image, type of image. So all these details that we will get once we upload or drag and drop image. So guys, this is what we are going to do. So guys, let's start to build our application step by step. So guys, this is the initial boilerplate. So let's remove some code as we don't want. Just removing this one as we don't want, and the logo as well. We have our app running. So guys, I believe you have some idea about how we can install the dependencies. So we have installed the React drop zone. So just go into the terminal and type npm install react hyphen drop zone so that you will have the access of that hook. So I have already installed, so I don't want to install it again. So let's import that, use drop zone from React drop zone, and also we have to add use state hook. So inside the function, let's declare the use state. So your image, then the set image, and then use state. Inside the use state, I'm just initializing with the empty array. So guys, let's use the drop zone. Get props, get input prop, and the last one is drag active, and here use drop zone. So guys, here z should be small, and then we have to write accept criteria. Here we have image with the all combination, or whether it is a jpg or png, anything. And the on drop we have to set image. Inside this, accepted files dot map up file means uploaded file, and then we will use the javascript functionality object dot assign up file, and then here what we have to write preview, and for preview URL dot create object URL, and here up file. So this is what we have to do on drop. So let's add div, and inside the div just have to write the spread operator and the get root props, and inside that this div input, for the input get input props. Then so when we have the drag active, means where we when we dragging the image, that time we have to change the message. So if we have is drag active, at this time what we have to, and when our drag is not active, we have to show the message in this one. What we have to do, we have to show the, or we have to preview the uploaded image. So for that, let's have one div your image dot map. Inside this up file, inside this return, what we have to return, we have to return the div and the image src, and src with up file dot preview and some style. For time being I'm just copy and paste. You can pause videos and get this once this. So let's see how our application will look like. Yeah, so we have the message as drag and drop image, or click here, or else we can, instead of, we can write and symbol as well, and let's check it. Yeah, we have. So let's drag one image, same image I am using, you can use other as well. And you can see when I am dragging this image, our message is changing as we have added a ternary operator. Put this image over here, so boom. This is what guys we want to do at the end of this tutorial. So I hope guys you have clear about how we can drag and drop image, how we can use the, which hook will help us to build this application. Let's try to add another image. So let's pick the random image. So I'm just, and you can see, so guys we can upload any image. So I hope guys you have enjoyed this tutorial. So if you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe so that you will have the notification about my upcoming amazing videos. So have a good day. Bye.